Okay, clipper circuits ಏನಿದಪ್ಪ clip means clip of a portion ಒಂದು ಆಫ್ ವೇವ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಸೈನ್ ವೇವ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಸೈನ್ ವೇವ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಸಮ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಕ್ಲಿಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಪ್ಪರು ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಕ್ಲಿಪ್ಪರು ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಐಡಿಯಲ್ ಡಯೋಡು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಡಯೋಡು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಪ್ಪರ್ ಈ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಪ್ಪರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ diode ಏನು series ಆಗಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ series clipper diode is connected in series with the source and the load diode first ಏನಿದೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇದೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಓಕೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇದೆ ಓಕೆ this one is positive and this one is negative when you apply positive cycle okay when you apply positive cycle ಇಲ್ಲಿ positive ಇದು negative ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ okay when you apply positive cycle we are taking from positive to negative and the symbol of the diode first it will come positive and negative so diode will be forward biased for it will be forward biased for positive off cycle okay forward biased ಯಾವದಕ್ಕೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ positive off cycle when you apply negative cycle during positive off cycle the diode D is forward biased ಯಾಕೆ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಬಯಾಸ್ಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇದೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಬಯಾಸ್ಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಬಯಾಸ್ಡ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ವಿ ನಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಓಕೆ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿವಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಓಕೆ ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಡಯೋಡ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇದೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಡಯೋಡ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಬಯಾಸ್ಡ್ ಓಕೆ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಬಯಾಸ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಓಪನ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಅದು output voltage ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ V naught is equal to 0 voltage okay hence the negative off cycle of the input voltage gets clipped off ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ series negative clipper that means negative cycle will be clipped okay in this transfer characteristics ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ V naught is equal to VI that means slope is equal to 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ linear ಈ ರೀತಿ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ slope is equal to 1 okay ಇಲ್ಲಿ slope is equal to 0 because there is output is equal to what 0 voltage so negative off cycle ಅಲ್ಲಿ output ಏನು 0 voltage next series negative clipper practical diode ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು VK add ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ okay during positive off cycle when VI greater than VK diode is forward biased ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಡಯೋಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದನ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದನ್ ಅಂತ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಓಕೆ VI greater than VK ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ 5 ಓಕೆ VI ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 5 ತಗೊಳ್ವಿ VK ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1 ತಗೊಳ್ವಿ ಓಕೆ 5 is greater than 1 when 5 is greater than 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ವಿ ಓಕೆ ಡಯೋಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಬಯಾಸ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ and this is the diagram for that after drawing diagram you need to write this equation okay from this equivalent circuit write equation VI minus VK minus V naught is equal to 0 what about V naught is equal to VI minus VK VI can be written as VM minus VK okay during negative off cycle means one condition is VI greater than VK. If VI is less than VK, for example, this value, if VI is less than Vk, then diode will be reverse biased. Okay, because what about diode direction? First positive and next negative. It will conduct for positive off cycle. Okay, and conditions also important, greater than and less than conditions. Okay, when Vi less than Vk, what about this is a negative off cycle, diode will be reverse biased, because Vi is less than Vk means this will be maybe negative value, or that shows it is less than 1. Okay, so diode will be reverse biased and acts as a open circuit. Then output is equal to what? 0 voltage. Okay, so this is a Vk value. Okay, this is a Vk. This is up to here is Vk. When it is less than, input voltage is less than Vk, what you got? Output is equal to 0. Okay, so from year to year it is 0. That means less than Vk iddidella ಏನು ನಮಗೆ output 0. When it is greater than, that means from year to, like this. Okay, from here to here, greater than. When it is greater than, what we got? V naught is equal to Vi. That means output is equal to input Vm minus Vk. Okay, Vm minus Vk. Again same. For negative off cycle, 0 voltage. So 0 voltage. Same here also. Okay. For transfer characteristics, Vi less than Vk. Vi less than Vk. That means this side. Okay. This side. It will be, D will be off, slope will be 0. So straight line. When it is Vi greater than Vk, that means this one. Okay. And when Vi greater than Vk, slope is equal to what? Slope is equal to 1. So linear, like this you need to draw. This is transfer characteristics. Next is series positive clipper. You need to observe the diode. Okay, first negative it will come, next positive. Okay, that means when you apply negative cycle, diode will conduct. Okay, when you apply positive cycle, what it will happen? Diode will become reverse biased and it will act as a open circuit. Okay, during positive off cycle, what happens? It will become reverse biased and acts as a open circuit. So you'll get output voltage is equal to 0 voltage. When you apply negative off cycle, first direction is negative and positive. Okay, when you apply negative off cycle, what happens? Diode will be forward biased, so and acts as a short circuit. V naught is equal to minus Vi. Output what you will get? Minus Vi. That can be written as V naught is equal to minus Vm. In this series positive clipper, that means positive waveform will be clipped. Okay, when positive off cycle, output what you got? 0 voltage. So no need of waveform. Okay, no output here. In negative off cycle, minus Vm, output is equal to input. So negative off cycle. Same transfer characteristics. Okay, in positive off cycle we got 0, so straight line. In negative off cycle, slope is 1. Okay, output is equal to input. So in this direction, because we got V naught is equal to minus Vm. Okay, negative. Next, series positive clipper. In this we are considering practical diode. Two conditions, less than and greater than. Vi less than Vk and Vi greater than Vk. Vi greater than Vk during positive off cycle, when Vi greater than Vk. That means Vi greater than Vk ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ diode ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ reverse biased, because here negative first and positive next. It will conduct for Vi less than Vk. Okay, it will conduct for Vi less than Vk, because Vi less than Vk means it will be negative cycle. Okay, during positive off cycle, when Vi greater than Vk, diode is reverse biased and acts as an open circuit. So output is equal to what? Zero voltage. During negative off cycle, when Vi less than Vk, diode is forward biased and acts as a short circuit. What you will get? Equation minus Vi plus Vk minus V0 is equal to 0. Output you will get minus Vi plus Vk. That is what we need to draw the waveform. Okay. In positive off cycle, we got 0 output. In negative off cycle, V0 is equal to minus Vm plus Vk. What you get? If you substitute some values, you will get some voltage. So like that you need to draw the graph. Okay. Next, transfer characteristics. Transfer characteristics. While drawing transfer characteristics, you need to observe the two conditions. When Vi greater than Vk, output is 0. That means slope is equal to 0. When Vi greater than Vk, that means this one. Okay. Slope is equal to what? Slope is equal to 0. Okay. Slope is equal to 0. When Vi less than Vk, that means less than means minus 3, minus 4, like that. Okay, it is less than. At that time, slope is equal to 1. Okay, because output is almost nearly equal to input. So, you will get slope is equal to 1. Next, biased clippers. Biased clippers means we will take reference voltage. Okay. In this ideal diode and positive clipper. Okay. Positive half cycle. When Vi greater than Vr, what happens when Vi greater than Vr? Vi greater than Vr means you will get diode will be reverse biased. Diode will be reverse biased and acts as a open circuit. This is wrong. Acts as a open circuit. Okay. Negative off cycle. When Vi less than Vr, diode will be forward biased. That means when Vi is less than Vr, diode will become forward biased. That means Vi will be negative off cycle. So this is a positive off cycle. First case is positive off cycle. Negative off cycle, it will conduct. Diode will conduct because starting is negative and next is positive. It will conduct and it will become a forward bias and acts as a short circuit. Okay. V0 is equal to what you will get? V0 is equal to Vi from the equivalent circuit diagram. Next, output waveforms. This is the input waveform. This one is Vr. Okay, this one is Vr output. When Vi, two conditions you need to remember: Vi less than Vr and Vi greater than Vr. First, we shall see that when Vi less than Vr, what you got? Output is equal to input. That means from here to here, from here to here, how input diagram is a circuit, our waveform is a, you need to do same. Okay, that is when Vi less than Vr. When it is greater than, okay, when it is greater than, that means this one. Okay, when it is greater than, what happens? V0 is equal to Vr. And when V0 output in birth, Vr ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆನೋ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Again less than ಇದ್ದಾಗ output is equal to input. In negative off cycle, what we got? In negative off cycle, we got V0 is equal to Vi. Same as it is, V0 is equal to Vi. Okay. Same, you need to analyze the two conditions for transfer characteristics. When Vi less than VR. When Vi less than VR, we got V naught is equal to what? V naught is equal to Vi. That means slope is equal to what? Slope is equal to 1. Okay. Slope is equal to 1. From here to here, you need to draw less than. Okay. Because this all less than. When it is greater than, okay, when it is greater than, you need to draw a straight line, because when it is Vi greater than VR, you will get output is equal to VR only. Okay, output is equal to VR. Next, biased series clipper, ideal diode, negative clipper. This is the direction, and this is first you will get positive and negative. That means this will conduct for positive off cycle. During positive off cycle, when Vi greater than VR, when Vi greater than VR, diode is forward biased and acts as a short circuit. Diode is forward biased and acts as a short circuit. Output, what you will get? Output is equal to input. During negative off cycle, when Vi less than VR, when Vi less than VR, what happens? Diode, first you will get positive and next negative. That means this diode will become reverse bias when you apply negative off cycle. When Vi less than VR, diode is reverse biased and acts as an open circuit. So output V naught is equal to, this will become open circuit. So whatever voltage here, that will be output. Okay, V naught is equal to VR. What about waveform? When Vi less than VR, when Vi less than VR, V naught is equal to VR. That means straight line from here to here. When it is greater than, what you got? When it is greater than, output is equal to input, same as input. Okay. What about in negative off cycle? What we got in negative off cycle? Output is equal to VR. Okay. Output is equal to VR. Output is equal to VR. Okay. In transfer characteristics also, you need to analyze the same thing. Okay. When Vi less than VR, that means this one. Okay. When Vi less than VR, D will be off, slope will be straight line, VR. Okay. Output is equal to VR. When Vi is greater than VR, what happens? Output is equal to input, so slope is equal to 1. So like this you need to draw. Next, biased series negative clipper. Reference voltage will be here. Okay, reference voltage. Biased series negative clipper, reference voltage will be here. During positive cycle, what happens? During positive off cycle, this will become forward biased and acts as a short circuit. Okay, you can observe here, when Vi greater than VR, diode is forward biased and acts as a short circuit. Output equation, what you will get? Minus Vi plus VR plus V naught is equal to 0. V naught is equal to Vi minus VR. During negative off cycle, what happens? This will become reverse biased and acts as an open circuit. Output you will get 0. Same, you need to analyze and draw the output waveform, input and output waveform, and transfer characteristics. Okay, less than means you will get 0. When it is greater than, output is equal to input minus VR. Next, in negative off cycle, V naught is equal to 0, so straight line. When it is Vi less than VR, slope is equal to 0, so straight line. When Vi greater than VR, slope is equal to 1, So straight line here, slope linear. Okay. Parallel clippers. In parallel clippers, during positive off cycle, diode is forward biased. During positive off cycle, what happens? Diode is forward biased. First positive, next negative, and acts as a short circuit. Output you'll get because it will be short circuit. So no voltage, no current will flow. Output you'll get 0 voltage. During negative off cycle, diode is reverse biased and acts as an open circuit. Whatever input voltage will be there, that voltage only, or same voltage in the output. Okay, output is equal to input and during negative off cycle. So only positive off cycle will be clipped and negative off cycle will be remained. Same, you need to draw the transfer characteristics. Positive clipper, positive parallel clipper. Okay, this one parallel clipper because diode is connected in parallel. Parallel positive clipper. Okay, this one parallel positive clipper. Practical diode. Practical diode. We are considering the VK. In this two conditions. Okay, when VI less than VI greater than VK and VI less than VK. When VI greater than VK, that is positive off cycle, diode will conduct forward biased, acts as a short circuit. Output what you will get? That is the voltage of this, that only you will get output voltage. V0 is equal to Vk. During negative off cycle, when Vi less than Vk, it is reverse biased and acts as a open circuit. You will get V0 is equal to V0. Sorry, V0 is equal to Vi. Okay. This will become open circuit. So V0 is equal to Vi. Same, you need to draw the waveform. When it is Vi less than Vk, Vi less than Vk, what you got? Output is equal to input. That means this line is output is equal to input. Okay. Input ಯಾವೈತಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. Next, when it is greater than, that means this one. Okay. When it is greater than, output is equal to what? Vk. That means straight line. When it is less than, again output is equal to input. In negative off cycle, what we got? Output is equal to input. So same waveform. Same you need to draw for transfer characteristics. Okay. Double-ended clippers. That means in this two diodes will be used during positive off clipper. Sorry, during positive off cycle, one diode will be open circuit, and during negative off cycle, another diode will be open circuit. Okay. Again, during positive off cycle, again two conditions. During negative off cycle, again two conditions, two cases. Okay. During positive off cycle, diode D2 will be reverse biased because here first negative and next positive. Okay. Diode D2 is always reverse biased and acts as an open circuit during positive off cycle. Case in these two conditions, when Vi greater than V1. When Vi greater than V1, diode will be forward biased and acts as a short circuit. At that time, output voltage is equal to V1. Case 2, when Vi less than V1. Okay, when Vi less than means take any negative values. That means negative value means diode is first positive and negative. Okay, less than means it will not conduct, first positive and negative. Okay, when Vi is less than V1, diode is reverse biased and acts as a open circuit. Okay, that's why output is equal to Vi. Output what you will get? Vi. During negative off cycle, what happens? This first negative, first next positive. Okay, this will become open circuit. D11 will become open circuit. D2 will be D2 we should consider. Okay, D1 will be what happens? D1 is reverse biased and acts as a open circuit during negative off cycle. When Vi greater than V2, diode D2 is reverse biased and acts as an open circuit. In this also two conditions, when Vi greater than V2 and less than V2. When it is greater than, D2 is reverse biased. Okay, because in greater than means positive. Okay, positive cycle. That means when diode is in, first starts with negative and next is positive. When Vi greater than V2, diode will become reverse biased and acts as an open circuit. When it is open circuit, output what you will get? Output is equal to input. When it is Vi less than V2, diode will be forward biased, because how the diode direction, first is negative and next is positive. That means that diode will conduct for small less than, when it is less than, okay, and acts as a short circuit. V0 is equal to V2. Same you need to analyze for waveforms. When Vi is less than V1, when Vi is less than V1, V0 is equal to Vi. V0 is equal to Vi. Okay. When it is less than, output is equal to input. When it is greater than, okay, when it is greater than, output is equal to V1. Okay. Again, when it is less than, output is equal to input. Again, for negative off cycle, what we got for negative off cycle? V0 is equal to Vi. Okay, for negative off cycle, same as it is. For negative off cycle, V0 is equal to Vi. Negative off cycle, during negative off cycle, two conditions, when Vi greater than V2 and when Vi less than V2. When Vi greater than V2, what we got? V0 is equal to V1. Sorry, V0 is equal to Vi. When it is greater than, that means here greater than means this one. Okay, this one input ಯಾವೈತೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. This one also, when Vi greater than V2, V0 is equal to Vi. When it is less than, that means this one. Okay, when it is less than, V0 is equal to V2. So straight line. Okay. Transfer characteristics, when it is Vi greater than V1, V0 is equal to V1. When Vi less than V1, V0 is equal to Vi. So straight line. Same condition for this also. When Vi less than V2, when Vi less than V2, V0 is equal to what? V2. When it is greater than, V0 is equal to Vi, so straight line. Okay. Slope is equal to 1 for this. Okay. Slope is equal to 1.